What's going on, everyone? Matthew Osborn here, and today I'm going to walk you through the 6-month update to my affiliate website case study where I'm attempting to get a new affiliate website to $3,500 a month in passive income within 12 months. In addition, I'm outsourcing all of this work to truly make it a passive investment. So let's take a look at the metrics and see how things have been progressing. All right, so number of articles written right now is up to 94 articles, so only 8 articles were added in this past month. But the articles that were added were extremely high quality and very long. So these 8 articles will hopefully perform better and make more money than if I had spent time or money having people write 30 articles of lesser quality. So even though there's only 8 articles added, I'm happy with that pace right now, and I'm happy with the quality of those articles. Next is page views. Page views a little over or just under doubled this month. So last month at the end it was 997 page views. This month was 1,943, I believe. So just under the $2,000 mark, 2,000 page view mark, which is good because more people are coming to the website, double the amount of people that were last month. So that's the kind of trend I want to see. Next is impressions. This is how often Google shows the website in search results where someone can actually see the website to have the ability to click on it. This one over doubled. So last month we ended with about 9,500 impressions. This month was at 23,000, just a little over 23,000 impressions. So impressions are going through the roof, which is great because it means Google sees this website as something that's worthy of showing up in search results, and so they're putting it out there more often, which is exactly what I'm wanting for a website that I'm trying to grow and actually gain revenue from. So revenue has not doubled this month. This is the very first month in the past 6 months that revenue has not doubled, which I was expecting to happen eventually. I'm surprised actually that I've even made any revenue up to this point because my initial plans that I wrote out didn't show me making any money at all until month 6, and it was like $1 or $2 maybe. And I've made money since month 2 on this. Granted, it's a very small amount of money, but it is money coming through. So this last month, I believe ads brought in about $4.20, and this month they brought in, no, they're $3.39 last month. This month it brought in $5.23. So it was like a 25% increase, I believe, or something like that. A little over that actually, but it was not double in revenue for ad revenue. Now there are ways I can optimize this ad revenue and triple it pretty much overnight, except it's not worth the time it would take to do that right now because it's $5 right now. So if I triple it, it's $15. It's not a big deal to do that. But down the road, when it's making $500 a month in ads, it very much would be worth the time to optimize those ads and spend that time to make $1,500 a month instead of $500 a month. So further down the road, I will optimize this to get a lot better ad spend. Right now, it's like $2 per 1,000 views or something like that, $3 per 1,000 views. And most websites, once they optimize them, are closer to $19 to $20 per 1,000 views. So we can easily double, triple, quadruple that number once I optimize these ads. Like I said, it's just not worth it yet. Affiliate revenue did not jump up very much at all. So this is Amazon affiliate revenue. Last month it was at $42. This month it was at $58. So I think there's a 25% increase roughly there as well. So definitely did not double. I was hoping this month would possibly be the first $100 month if it kept doubling. But like I said, it has not yet. But I'm not worried about that, like I've said many times, because with websites like this, Amazon's not the main way I'm going to be monetizing this website. It's other affiliate programs, but a lot of other affiliate programs, you need the website to be a lot bigger before they even accept you. So the main 3 websites I'm planning to make revenue from have not accepted me yet because the website is not big enough. So it'll be close probably to that 12-month mark that the website has enough history and traction that I'm accepted into these programs. And then revenue will take off after then because the average order value on these websites is significantly higher, and the percentage I'm getting back is significantly higher. With Amazon, it's 1% to 2%. These other websites are 10, 15, and 20% of the total order value. So I could make $60 on a single sale, where it would take a lot of items sold on Amazon to do the same exact thing. There have been a few other affiliate websites that I've been accepted to, and traffic is starting to come through those. I'm starting to see people clicking on the links, which is a good sign. Revenue is going to start coming quickly from those, but it has not come yet. So affiliate revenue was just under $60 for this month. So that is a really, really quick update of month 6. I don't want to go into too much more detail than that because I don't want to bore you guys. But for those of you interested in following along, that's kind of been my results since month 6. I'll give you guys an update in month 7, and hopefully by month 12, it'll be at the $3,500 a month mark. We'll see. I think a big factor will be whether I get accepted in those programs before that date. But I'm pretty confident the website will be big enough by then that I'll get accepted in those programs and then be able to get that $3,500 a month in passive income. Again, I'm outsourcing all of this, so I've not spent time this month really at all, except for a few assignments to an editor and talking to a writer here and there. Other than that, it's pretty much running itself, which is pretty cool. So I'm more sitting back, watching with you guys kind of and seeing what is happening. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys in month 7.